Hello, I'm Ilaria, Group Product Manager for Chicco. I'm here to talk about the Oasys 2-3, a new car seat suitable for children from 15 up to 36 kilograms. The Oasys 2-3 grows with children from 3 to 12 years thanks to an independent height and width adjustment. In addition to the independent adjustment feature, a centrally located button allows you to change the angle of the backrest. Both the seat and the backrest can recline at the same time in 4 different positions to ensure the utmost comfort of the child when in the car. The Oasys 2-3 has been designed to ensure proper protection and safety. Both the headrest area and that of the shoulders are equipped with excellent lateral protection, ensuring that the child is contained in the event of an impact. The area of the headrest also has special padding that is made of breathable materials. The car seat is equipped with a wide and comfortable seat to provide the utmost comfort to children of different age groups. The Oasys 2-3 has safety belt guides that make installation easy. The Fix Plus version comes with rigid connectors to use with cars equipped with Isofix anchor points. Installation is extremely simple. When using the Fix Plus car seat, just press the lever below the button on the front and pull out the connectors. After pulling out the rigid connectors, simply attach them to the Isofix anchor points. Once they are properly attached, the indicator will turn green. At this point, just place the car seat on the seat and slide the car seat belt through the guide located immediately below the headrest. It will lock into place automatically. Now slide both the chest and lap belts of the car underneath the child's armrest and attach it to the car seat belt. The car seat is now properly installed. All the features that we have seen have been designed to make installation and adjustment easier, as well as make getting underway easier.